the swish and spit one.
cái mà cầm mở thảo khô từ cái thảo khô này mà cầm mở thảo khô là chụp với đây
And I've got a basin here if you want to spit in the
nên là chụp với
bags.
này này Don't worry about the thing, 'cause every little thing's gonna be alright. I woke up this morning, 3 little birds were on my doorstep, singing a sweet song, and they say,
Okay.
don't
How's your
worry.
pain?
Đã chưa chăm vào đây. Only like headache.
Only a headache. Okay. If it gets really bad, you let us know and we can bring you in some medicine, okay?
Mình đã đôi lần này được tin nhà đà rẻ mà cái khử này là cái tí là phụ trợ lối chạy cho chạy lên bay mà.
Okay. Alrighty.
Yeah. Quê pelo cái trắng rồi, pelo cái trắng ra mưa mà giờ đầu về bực tiệt là cái tít khay, cái bát tổ là chôn ở về pelo cổ này cô đangเป็นtê chi mà này ba cái nè này cái gì nhỉ nó, đi tao cái mà hô ra pelo cổ này, cái tra mưa mà là gì nào. So working or not?
It's working. We're just gonna have to go pretty slow.
Oh, okay.
But we also won't know for about a full 30 minutes on whether or not it works.
Mm-hmm.
Because it's gotta sit.
Oh.
I know. It's just not one of them.
Okay, so I'm gonna follow you now. I'm gonna follow you now. Này để vào này. À vậy cái qua là người này bị lấy chi nào? Cái qua cái đó là người bị lấy chi nào? Cái này. À vậy 7 o'clock right now.
Yeah,
Thôi nè.
I know.
Okay.
Oh, your lips are dry.
Okay.
Yes, I am very sorry.
Yeah, it's okay. You try your best. You put all the effort and all the ability. Yeah. Nope.
No.
Still doesn't work.
Okay, let me go page service.
Okay.
And then we'll probably have to try it again, okay?
Oh, okay.
Alright, I'll be back.
Okay. Okay, no. Our penetration pearly no. Ramu kono. Our penetration pearly khulai no. Basa T1 được đến nhiều no. T1 được đến nhiều khulai là mà đâm ba ai. Ôi cái ramu có đâu thì ra nó lơ khai đập to cái hai qua đó. Hay là từ bằng có ra ba phải không?
When I was
Earlier,
doing my flashes
yes.
and all that.
Just today.
That is crazy.
Just today, it just went out.
So you haven't eaten anything?
Nope. He's very hungry right now.
I know, I'm sorry.
It messed up a lot. I don't know why. What's wrong with that?
I mean, it happens, but it's weird because it was working okay, you know?
Tira mujer de torre, no? Marali, ni de iba. Yeah.
Yeah, you see, I see this big stuff here.
It looks like it looks like you're getting it clearer.
I was trying to kind of see if something's pulling, but I'm just pulling air
I
out.
think it's just mechanical. There's gotta be something internal.
Yes,
Do you know what I mean?
yes, there's just something different.
Maybe inside the bed or I don't know.
Something like with the balloon
The
or
balloon, yeah.
yeah. So we'll message service.
Yeah.
See if they want to give this another shot
Mhm.
or
Or go in and just
See if
figure out. Or
the
remove
IR
and put a new
put a new
one.
one.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want me to page service?
Oh,
Oh, it comes from that side.
Yeah. It like comes from
Oh.
all.
Thank God it went this way then.
Yeah, I got my eye earlier, so be be on the lookout. It
Oh
shoots
my
out.
gosh. That is like, ooh,
It's
that is-
powerful.
That is, ow. Thank God it didn't go to my ears. That is,
get you wet.
oh my God. That is what it didn't.
It got me in the face earlier. That's why, and then you'd think I would have learned to like block that one, and I didn't, and it got me in the eye.
Okay.
So,
Jesus. Okay.
okay, I'm gonna go give insulin to another patient, and then I'm gonna finish charting and write a little note on this.
Oh,
Yeah?
again.
Where did you
See,
put this
this-
I'm so sorry. Yeah, I think
So,
something
yeah,
is
yeah,
completely
yeah,
blocked.
something's blocked.
Yeah, we gotta call like someone to able to
Yeah.
get it works.
Yeah.
So-
Like soon as possible.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah.
We will page them now,
Mm.
and then
Someone needs to
hopefully.
just come and remove that
Remove-
thing.
yeah.
Remove the balloon and maybe see if that it's
Try and
because
inflate
there's
it,
nothing
yeah.
else you can do.
I don't know what else to do. Because we've tried.
Yeah, I see what
He didn't get his fluconazole today either. Because we couldn't give it through the tube. So